अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपके साथ 2026 के वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर शेयर करेंगे। ये वो करंट अफेयर हैं जो आने वाले पेपरों और इंटरव्यू में आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं। अगर आप किसी पेपर या इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आप ये क्वेश्चन ज़रूर पढ़ें ताकि आपका पेपर और इंटरव्यू कवर हो सके। अगर आप किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाने वाले सब्जेक्ट और जितने भी सब्जेक्ट उसमें इंक्लूड होते हैं वो तमाम सब्जेक्ट जो हमने अपने फुल कोर्स में इंक्लूड कर दिए हैं। और अगर आप इस फुल कोर्स को हमसे लेना चाहते हैं तो आप दिए गए इस व्हाट्सअप नंबर पर हमसे रब्ता करें, हम आपको PDF में प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। तो जिन दोस्तों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली हर वीडियो को नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिल सके। वीडियो को लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और वो किसी भी जॉब टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Who among the following presented Pakistan Federal Budget FY 2026-27? Option A. Muhammad Ishaq Dar. Option B. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif. Option C. Muhammad Aurangzeb. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Muhammad Aurangzeb.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
What is the total outlay of Pakistan's federal budget FY 2026-27? Option A. 18.77 trillion rupees. Option B. 17.77 trillion rupees. Option C. 16.77 trillion rupees. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is 18.77 trillion rupees.
Next question.
Which political party won most seats in the 2026 Gilgit-Baltistan elections? Option A. PMLN. Option B. PPP. Option C. PTI. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is PTI.
Next question.
The current Federal Ombudsman of Pakistan is Option A. Naveed Kamran Bullock. Option B. Ijaz Ahmed Qureshi. Option C. Tariq Mahmood. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Ijaz Ahmed Qureshi.
Next question.
Pakistan Air Force Day is celebrated on Option A. the 6th of September. Option B. the 7th of September. Option C. the 8th of September. Option D. the 9th of September. The correct answer is the 7th of September.
Next question.
Which team is the winner of Pakistan Super League PSL 2020? Option A. Islamabad United. Option B. Karachi Kings. Option C. Quetta Gladiators. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Karachi Kings.
Next question.
The dam inaugurated in October 2020 by the Sindh government in Nagar Parkar, District Thar Parkar, was Option A. Kalidas Dam. Option B. Sohan Dam. Option C. Ninghara Dam. Option D. Dasu Dam. The correct answer is Kalidas Dam.
Next question.
Pakistan's Field Marshal Asim Munir visited which country on the 22nd of May 2026? Option A. India. Option B. Iran. Option C. Israel. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Iran.
Next question.
Name the Army Chief of Pakistan who made official visit to Iran in May 2026. Option A. Qamar Javed Bajwa. Option B. Raheel Sharif. Option C. Asim Munir. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Asim Munir.
Next question.
Who becomes the first female judge of the Supreme Court of Pakistan? Option A. Justice Aisha Malik. Option B. Justice Sayeeda Tahira Safdar. Option C. Justice Ashraf Jahan. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Justice Aisha Malik.
Next question.
Which Secretary General of United Nations visited Lakhana Sindh during the rain emergency? Option A. Kofi Annan. Option B. Kurt Waldheim. Option C. Ban Ki-moon. Option D. Antonio Guterres. The correct answer is Antonio Guterres.
Next question.
Who was awarded a Royal Gold Medal for Architecture by Royal Institute of British Architects? Option A. Nayar Ali Dada. Option B. Yasmin Larry. Option C. Kausar Bashir Ahmed. Option D. Habib Fider Ali. The correct answer is Yasmin Larry.
Next question.
Pakistan celebrated which edition of Takbir in 2026? Option A. 26th. Option B. 27th. Option C. 28th. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is 28th.
Next question.
Takbir in Pakistan is celebrated on Option A. the 14th of August. Option B. the 28th of May. Option C. the 23rd of March. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is the 28th of May.
Next question.
Takbir is celebrated to commemorate the Option A. 1965 war. Option B. First nuclear tests by Pakistan. Option C. Death of school children in Peshawar. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is first nuclear tests by Pakistan.
Next question.
Pakistan and China are celebrating which anniversary of diplomatic relations in 2026? Option A. 70th anniversary. Option B. 75th anniversary. Option C. 80th anniversary. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is 75th anniversary.
Next question.
Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif visited which country from May 23, 2026? Option A. Russia. Option B. USA. Option C. China. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is China.
Next question.
Which Pakistani official traveled to Tehran in May 2026 for mediation efforts between US and Iran? Option A. Khawaja Asif. Option B. Asif Ali Zardari. Option C. Mohsin Naqvi. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Mohsin Naqvi.
Next question.
Pakistan Air Force, PAF, defeated which of the following to win the 2026 National Senior Men's Volleyball Championship? Option A. Airport Security Force, ASF. Option B. Higher Education Commission, HEC. Option C. Pakistan Navy. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Pakistan Navy.
Next question.
Who among the following won the 2026 National Senior Men's Volleyball Championship? Option A. Pakistan Navy. Option B. Pakistan Air Force, PAF. Option C. WAPDA. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Pakistan Air Force, PAF.
Next question.
Which Pakistani city was targeted in May 2026 suicide bombing involving a passenger train, killing dozens of people? Option A. Karachi. Option B. Quetta. Option C. Islamabad. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Quetta.
Next question.
Which militant group claimed responsibility for the May 2026 Quetta train bombing in which more than 30 people killed? Option A. BLA. Option B. TTP. Option C. ISIS. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is BLA.
Next question.
Which province has been affected by the deadly train bombing attack in May 2026? Option A. Punjab. Option B. Sindh. Option C. Balochistan. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Balochistan.
Next question.
Which terrorist group claimed responsibility of attacking shuttle train in Quetta in May 2026 that killed dozens of people? Option A. ISIS. Option B. Taliban. Option C. BLA. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is BLA.
Next question.
The Go Cashless campaign in Pakistan is being led by which of the following? Option A. Ministry of Finance. Option B. State Bank of Pakistan. Option C. NADRA. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is State Bank of Pakistan.
Next question.
Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan? Option A. Sikandar Sultan Raja. Option B. Altaf Ibrahim Qureshi. Option C. Sardar Muhammad Raza Khan. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Sikandar Sultan Raja.
Next question.
Who is the current president, head of state, of Pakistan? Option A. Yusuf Raza Jalani. Option B. Dr. Arif Alvi. Option C. Asif Ali Zardari. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Asif Ali Zardari.
Next question.
What is the rank of Pakistan in the Global Firepower Index 2026? Option A, 10th. Option B, 12th. Option C, 14th. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 10th.
Next question.
What is the rank of Pakistan in the Global Firepower Index 2026 based on military strength? Option A, 10th. Option B, 11th. Option C, 14th. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 10th.
Next question.
Which former governor of Punjab and veteran politician passed away in 2026 at the age of 90? Option A, Mian Manzoor Ahmad Wattu. Option B, Chaudhry Altaf Hussain. Option C, Sardar Zulfikar Ali Khosa. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Sardar Zulfikar Ali Khosa.
Next question.
Pakistani singer and philanthropist Hadika Kiani was conferred upon which award in May 2026? Option A, Sitara-i Khidmat. Option B, Tamgar-i Shujaat. Option C, Sitara-i Imtiaz. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Sitara-i Imtiaz.
Next question.
Which among the following was awarded the Sitara-i Imtiaz in May 2026? Option A, Mahira Khan. Option B, Hadika Kiani. Option C, Sarah Khan. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Hadika Kiani.
Next question.
What is the rank of Pakistan in Henley Passport Index released in May 2026? Option A, 100th. Option B, 99th. Option C, 98th. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 100th.
Next question.
In the May 2026 update, Pakistan's passport ranking dropped from 97th earlier in the year to which position globally? Option A, 100th. Option B, 99th. Option C, 98th. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is 100th.
Next question.
Who is the current chairman of the Root-i-Hilal Committee of Pakistan? Option A, Hafiz Abdul Quddus. Option B, Noor ul Haq. Option C, Maulana Kabir Azad. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Maulana Kabir Azad.
Next question.
Pakistan successfully test-fired which cruise missile in May 2026? Option A, Shaheen IV. Option B, Fateh IV. Option C, Babar IV. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Babar IV.
Next question.
Name the Pakistan Army major who embraced martyrdom while protecting homeland in Balochistan in May 2026. Option A, Major Sibtin Haider. Option B, Major Tausif Ahmed Bhatti. Option C. Major Adil Zaman. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Major Adil Zaman.
Next question.
Pakistani airstrikes hit which provinces of Afghanistan in February 2026? Option A. Kabul and Herat. Option B. Nangarhar and Paktika. Option C. Kandahar and Helmand. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Nangarhar and Paktika.
Next question.
Which militant alliance claimed responsibility for the May 2026 Banu attack that martyred 15 police officers? Option A. Ittihad ul-Mujahideen. Option B. Al-Qaeda. Option C. Balochistan Liberation Army. BLA. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Ittihad ul-Mujahideen.
Next question.
In May 2026, at least 15 police officers were martyred in which district of KPK? Option A. Mardan. Option B. Kohat. Option C. Banu. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Banu.
Next question.
In May 2026, Pakistan and which country signed cooperation regarding drug trafficking control? Option A. China. Option B. Russia. Option C. Bangladesh. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Bangladesh.
Next question.
In May 2026, Pakistan and Bangladesh signed cooperation regarding which of the following? Option A. Nuclear technology. Option B. Drug trafficking control. Option C. River water treaty. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is drug trafficking control.
Next question.
Pakistan signed Strategic Mutual Defense Agreement with which country in September 2025? Option A. Qatar. Option B. Saudi Arabia. Option C. China. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Saudi Arabia.
Next question.
Which specific terrorist groups did Pakistan target during strikes in February 2026 inside Afghanistan? Option A. TTP, Fitna al-Khawarij, and ISKP. Option B. Al-Qaeda and Blah. Option C. TTP and Afghan National Army. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is TTP, Fitna al-Khawarij, and ISKP.
Next question.
Pakistan and China have signed an agreement for blank railway track in 2019. Option A. ML1. Option B. ML. Option C. MS5. Option D. Pak China train. The correct answer is ML1.
Next question.
In 2026, Pakistan is playing a mediatory role between which two countries? Option A. USA and Iran. Option B. Russia and Ukraine. Option C. India and China. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is USA and Iran.
Next question.
Name the renowned cleric and ex-Jew IMPA who was gunned down in KP's Shah Sadr in May 2026. Option A. Fazal U. Rahman. Option B. Muhammad Idris. Option C. Mufti Tariq Masood. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Muhammad Idris.
Next question.
Pakistan Army Cadet Sardar Asam Abbas declared Best Foreign Cadet in 2026 by which country? Option A. New Zealand. Option B. China. Option C. Australia. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Australia.
Next question.
Which Pakistan Army cadet won top foreign honor at Australian Military College in 2026? Option A. Sardar Hussain Khalid. Option B. Sardar Usman Akil. Option C. Sardar Asam Abbas. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Sardar Asam Abbas.
Next question.
Name the Pakistan Army's officer who has been declared overall best foreign military cadet in Australia in 2026. Option A. Sardar Asam Abbas. Option B. Sardar Arshad Abbas. Option C. Sardar Abdullah Abbas. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Sardar Asam Abbas.
आई होप आप दोस्तों को वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। तो जिन दोस्तों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिल सके। वीडियो को लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें अगर वो किसी भी जॉब टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो। और अगर आपने शुरू से लेकर एंड तक वीडियो वॉच की है तो आपने अपना स्कोर ज़रूर कमेंट में मेंशन करना है कि आपके अंदाजे में कितने क्वेश्चन जो थे वो राइट थे और आपने कितने रॉन्ग किए हैं और कितने राइट किए हैं, ये आपने ज़रूर कमेंट में मेंशन करना था। अल्लाह हाफिज़।